So you're trying to wrap your hood for the first time ever, but you got a lot of questions and you don't know where to really start at. Well, I'm about to break down the 7 best tips for beginners on how to wrap this hood and not make it look like this. And I also got a bonus at the end. But subscribe to our channel so we can give you more tips and tricks just like this. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Tip number 1, you must prep this hood. You have to wash it, clay bar it, and degrease it in that order. Because if you don't, you're gonna leave all of the pimples, stains, scratches, everything up under here. You don't need all of this dirt on this hood, leaving your finished wrap looking terrible. Step 2, measure the hood and leave extra bleed on the sides. If you get it to where it's exact right there, you're gonna be in a lot of problems, because if it gets short and it starts folding over on itself, that's when it becomes just a crinkled up, problematic piece of vinyl that you're gonna rip and tear up and throw off the hood. So let's not do that and measure it the right way. Step number 3 is cut the vinyl out. Once you've measured it, you might as well go ahead and cut it. Use a snitty. Don't use any blade or anything like that, because you may be cutting out more than you need to on your vinyl roll. As a matter of fact, in the list that we have below in our description, we have all the tools and equipments that you can go ahead and purchase and more. So take a look at it. Click the link. I promise you'll love it. But back to this mini tip. Get a tack cloth. Anytime that you may feel a little bit of dirt, you're just not really sure to know that you fully got it where it's lint free and dirt free off of this, get a tack cloth. That will help with the last steps of it right after you degrease the whole hood. Tip number 4, lay out the vinyl and make sure that you got full coverage based off of your measurements, because if it's short, you didn't measure right. As you can see, we got full coverage. So we did a great job so far, as you should have. I know you did, so good job. And now, let me say this. If I missed any steps or you feel like I rushed through any steps, rewind it back. You can easily slow it down and just rewind it back, so that way you can keep watching this over and over, because this is the best video that you're ever gonna get on wrapping a hood. Now, this is not a tip. You can trim right here if you wanted to, just to save some vinyl. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. Tip number 5, hold the paper backing, so that way you can get started wrapping. Word to the wise, do not pull this off like a bed sheet, because then you're gonna be crimpling it up. Roll it. Makes life a lot easier. Tip number 6, glass out this panel and start squeegeeing. Now, let me explain this. When you squeegee down the center. And also make sure that your squeegee is angled. If you squeegee straight, you're gonna run into a lot of creases. Squeegee the flat areas and palm out the body lines and recessed areas. It's gonna help a lot easier. Tip number 7, it's time to tuck and cut. Don't put your blade out this far. Right here, that's all you need. Now let's tuck and cut this cleanly. And I almost forgot, if this is 3M vinyl, take off the plastic cap at the end. If it's any other vinyl that's gloss and it has a plastic cap on it, take it off in the beginning. Now here's the bonus. Make sure you post heat this, whether you use a heat gun, an infrared heater, or the sun. You gotta make sure it's post heated. If not, you're gonna get big bubbles, big bubbles. If you want more in-depth videos on how I tuck and cut, how I squeegee, how I read the wrinkles, you name it, come and join our in-person rap class, or you can watch our online rap class so that way you can perfect your craft. Look forward to seeing you there.